In primetime news this evening, guilty. Jury finds Tesha Miller culpable in 2008 murder of former JUTC chairman. Walk out. Opposition members withdraw participation in parliament after squabble over sexual allegations against Edna Manley board member. Remove him. Shadow spokesman on health calls for health minister to be sacked. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, there's a story that all of us on this set can relate to, and if you're a consumer, there's good news for you as well. If you've received bad service from Flow or Digicel, you may be automatically compensated. That's if the OUR follows through on its proposal, and I'll tell you all about it in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. We look forward to that. From Andrea, we go to Spencer for what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
All right, thank you very much, Herman. Well, after months of uncertainty about his status in the national program, the Reggae Girls head coach has decided to call it quits. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what is your reaction to the guilty verdict handed down to Tesha Miller?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.